Skyler with Ignite Attachments, and this is our Tine Rake wheel kit that we offer for any of our 3 Tine Rakes that we have. And today we're going to be installing it. Get 2 brackets, 2 wheels, 4 spacers per wheel. Pins come with it. And all you're going to need is a 19mm socket and a wrench, and we'll get this thing slapped on. To install these, just remove your 2 outside bolts on either side. Again, some 19mm. Don't lose your hardware in the grass if you're doing it in the grass like I am. This plate goes on top. Run your bolts back through and stick your nut on top. And then just tighten them back down. And we'll repeat on the other side. To install the wheels, you probably have to raise your 3-point all the way up. You can take your pin off and slide it up. And this space is designed so that there's some movement in the back of the rake. Don't forget to grease both your wheels here so they don't seize up on you. Available at igniteattachments.com. As you can see, with all 4 spacers installed, it does keep the rake right above the grass here. So if you're raking up sticks, debris from a storm, you won't wreck your grass. If you wanted to go lower and say turn over a little bit of gravel, a little bit of dirt, smooth something out, you'd simply take these spacers, stack them on top up here. Another thing I want to point out is the hardware. You don't need any new hardware. You can use the existing bolts. There is enough thread on there to hold these things on. You don't need to go buy longer bolts.